This video will walk you through the process of creating a rank chart using a line chart. Rank charts, also known as bump charts, help visualize changes in rank over time. Let's get started. From the Asset panel, click on Chart and then drag and drop a line chart onto the sheet. Add the first dimension, in this case select Year. Next, add a second dimension. In this case, choose Category Name. Now let's add the measure. Our goal is to visualize sales rank for each category across different years. To achieve this, use the rank function to aggregate sales data and calculate the rank. Place a negative sign before the rank function, since ranks are assigned in ascending order. This ensures the largest sales receive a rank of 1, the second largest gets a rank of 2, and so on. When done, click Apply. Label the measure Rank. Change the number formatting to Number, and customize it further using the Custom option. Use a dual formatting code to format positive and negative numbers in the same way. The semicolon serves as a separator between the formats for positive and negative numbers. Under Appearance, add a title to the visualization. In Presentation, enable the Show Data Points option and activate Value Labels. Then remove the scroll bar. Under Styling, select the Chart tab and increase the data point size and the line thickness. Customize the value label font type and size, and also modify the legend title and labels as needed. Under the X-axis, Category Name, disable the Continuous Scale option. In the Y-axis, Rank, disable the Auto Range, and set a minimum and maximum range to enhance chart readability. You have now successfully created a rank chart using the line chart. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.